All right, so this is obviously a liquid propane, but the hot water heater begins with an FG. And everything you find nowadays says accept models beginning with FG. But it does say that it works for natural gas and liquid propane, or LP. I have a feeling that the only reason is because this is right-handed thread. But you'll see in a second why that won't matter. And the reason that won't matter is because I have this nut here. Now this nut will slide over the tube and is the backwards thread. Now you can buy like $35 conversion kits, yada yada. I think it's all a waste. I think the real thing is just this nut to seat that electrode into your gas control. But let me put this together, run it through, and get it positioned up here where it should be. And let's see if I'm correct. Okay, as you can see, the stock nut will only drop down to here because they put this flat portion in it where the stock nut basically gets stuck, which I was not a huge fan of it that they did that. But as you can see, this is my cut backwards thread nut in there, holding that in. And so we're gonna have to attempt to see if this will, I know the pilot will light as soon as gas gets down through the system because I had the gas. I just turned her to the on position. Now I'll turn this where we want it. I hear her. We are lit. Oh yeah. Fix the problem. 100% fixed. The only reason it says that, accept models beginning with FG, which just to show you, FG, Whirlpool, is because of that backwards thread. And as you can see, I didn't use the stock nut, but I got this one with the backwards thread cut in it, slid it on and tightened her up. So, the hot water heater, as you can hear it crackling and popping and burning, is good to go. And that was with the thermocouple from Lowe's. So you can save yourself $35 or however much it is for that conversion kit. I don't even understand how they justify that cost. All you need is a nut that you can get over the copper tubing, is the right size for the fitting, and backwards threaded. That's it. You're good to go. Go save yourself some money and fix your appliance.